People ask me, what did stem cell do for you? Stem cell gave me hope and results. And here I sit, enjoying life again at my age. My name is Victoria Fritz. I'm a patient at the Stem Cell Institute in Panama. I've been coming to the Panama Stem Cell Institute for 10 years. I live in Alabama in the U.S. I've always been a very healthy person, very active, worked my whole life, always been certain that the ravages of age would not affect me. And 10 years ago, I started noticing when I was about 65 when it happened. I've never taken medications. I've never had to. But things started happening that developed into something the doctors called arthritis, and then osteoporosis, and then all of the results of those two things. We had met Dr. Paz, and we were very interested in the results they were having with stem cell therapy. And I asked him on one of our visits down here, do you think this would help my osteoporosis? Because my DEXA scan is pretty scary. And he said, let's talk about this. And over the next 6 or 8 months, we discussed what stem cell might do for me. Without offering any miracle suggestions, he said, what we do is take this one step at a time and see how you react. And that's what we did. We started with the stem cell for the sole purpose at that point in time to address the osteoporosis. After 2 sessions with stem cell treatments, I started noticing a difference, a major difference. It's like I feel like I did when I was in my 20s. I want to go and I want to do, and I don't think about any pain or weakness or being slowed down. So I continued with that, and after the first 2 or 3 years, I had an unusual situation happen where I was working in one of our clinics on the floor doing all the work, and I saw a file cabinet falling, and I caught it with this arm. And what happened after that was a severed rotator cuff. Painful beyond words. Of course, I went to the doctors in Birmingham, Alabama, incredibly good doctors, and they told me this requires that you have about a year's treatment, surgery, a lot of opiates for the pain. These are things that I don't believe in and I wouldn't do. I came with my MRI from the United States, and he looked at it and he said, we are going to help you with this. And that's what we did. And over 2 series of infusions, it healed. I had full range of motion, never had any problems since. It was a miracle. My husband and I love to travel. We love spending time with our children and our grandchildren. That's a lot to keep up with. You have to be in really good shape. I've been able to enjoy life again. What we've seen with the stem cell is especially that. It was fairly new when we started coming here, this whole concept. Everyone was excited. Everyone wanted to see what is it going to do. And everyone that I've met, they're so caring. They're so excited. They want to know, they want to see. And so when we come back, it's how have you been doing? They know who you are. They're prepared for you to come. They're sending me emails long before we get here. I'm familiar with them. And it's the little things. What I've seen is that from the time we're picked up at the airport, we're treated like a VIP. That's a wonderful thing. We always have wonderful rapport with the people at the front desk that make us feel comfortable. Because my husband and I have been in the medical business for a long time, we understand how hard it is to run a clinic. This one is spectacular. And by the way, my surgeon in Alabama was astounded 6 months after he saw my new MRI. I think he believes in stem cell now. Having 5 children, grown children, worried about how we're going to be as we age. They've been able to see the differences, and they've become believers. We tell people this is a biblical thing. One thing begets the next. And this is what happens with stem cell. People become believers because they see it.